Hello everybody, this is Umair from Simple Tutorials, and in this video we will be discussing how to share Behance portfolio link. Now before we dive into the video, make sure to head over to the link in the description where you can simply now support to our channel. Alright, now talking about sharing your Behance portfolio link. So now we have a couple of methods in here, but this is the most simplest one. The first thing that you can do is visit your project page and copy the URL in the browser link to anywhere on the web. Now you can visit your profile page and hover over the project you plan to promote, click the gear icon and select promote from drop down menu. You will be taken to the project and presented with a pop-up. From that pop-up, decide which network you want to promote your work on. After selecting the network, you will be asked to verify your credentials in order to share your project. So basically that's the quickest method how you can share your Behance portfolio link and share your work with your clients, friends, or your team. So I hope this helped, and if it did so, make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video, using which you can simply support to our channel now. And thank you so much for watching. See you around the next one.